If you're following along with the exercise files for this video, I've included an exercise file that contains some more invoices that we haven't been creating in these videos. I'm going to show you how you can see which of your customers still has outstanding invoices. The first method is to view them directly from the reminders list. On the top right-hand side of the screen, I'll view the clock icon to see all of my reminders. I can see any upcoming things that I have to do, such as forms to send, bills to pay, to-do notes, things to print, and finally, money to deposit. Depending on when you're watching this course, you may not have anything in that upcoming list, as the dates will have changed. But I'm interested in the Overdue Invoices section. I'll click the black triangle to expand it. This is telling me that there's overdue invoices here and what the total amount of money is. I can double-click on an invoice right from here, and it will take me directly to it. I can see that it's past due. From here, I can choose to print it or email it to send another copy to the customer. I'll close out of this, and I'll also close out of the reminders window. The second method is to get into the Customer Center by clicking the blue Customers link on the home page. Here's where I can see a list of all my customers, and I can see that some of them have open balances. Right now, I'm looking at a list of all of my active customers, and there's a very quick way to see which customers still have open balances and overdue invoices. I can click the drop-down arrow next to Active Customers, and I can filter the view. Here, I can see customers with open balances, and I can further refine it to show me customers with overdue invoices. I can click on their name in the list and find it in the Customer Center. I can double-click on the invoice to open it, and I can print it out or email them another copy this way. I'll close out of this, and then I'll close out of the Customer Center to get back to the home screen. And that is how you can stay on top of which of your customers still owes you money.